Mabuhay Manila, this is Pope from ManilaShaker.com. Earlier this year, Realme GT flagship phone was released without having other variants up until now. This is the Realme GT Master Edition. It is packed with a more budget-friendly specs than its first release. Today, we will unbox and share our first impression of the Realme GT Master Edition. Let's begin. The box is in color black, and upon removing the cover, we will be greeted by a compartment box with the text that welcomes us to the Realme family. Inside that is the quick guide manual. Underneath is the device itself, and under the device is the USB Type-C, SIM ejector pin, a rubber jelly case, and the 65-watt Super Dart power brick. So that's pretty much it. Now moving forward to the device, what's really unique about this edition is that it has a suitcase design that was designed by a Japanese designer named Naoto Fukusawa. It has a vegan leather back, but unfortunately, we don't have that variant, but instead, we have the Daybreak Blue that has a glass back. It is not a textured finish but more on a glossy one, although it attracts a few fingerprint smudges. It has a two-tone color on the back that shifts whenever light reflects on it. It is thin, it also feels solid and sturdy while maintaining its lightness. At first look, for me, it doesn't look like a Realme smartphone. Even though it shows the Realme branding on the bottom, the overall look of the smartphone gives a different vibe. We also have a slick camera module that has a triple camera setup. And as you notice, there is no fingerprint scanner on the back or integrated into the power button since it is already under the display. It is also surprising to still have a headphone jack on a flagship model. Now moving forward to its display. The Realme GT Master Edition boasts a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display paired with a 120Hz refresh rate. The bezels around the display are a bit thin and have a slightly thick chin. On the top left, we have a punch hole cutout that houses the 32-megapixel selfie camera. And speaking of cameras, again, the Realme GT Master Edition is equipped with a triple camera setup. A 64-megapixel main cam, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2-megapixel macro. Here are some sample shots. Now inside the Realme GT Master Edition is powered by a Snapdragon 778G 5G with a 6nm process. Unlike the GT, this one has a bigger architecture. Yes, it is a gaming chipset, so stay tuned to our channel because we will make a gaming review as well of this device soon. For its software, out of the box, it runs on Android 11.0 with Realme UI 2.0. Using the UI paired with the 120Hz refresh rate is smooth and stutter-free. Our unit comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Now for its battery, it has a 4300 mAh battery. It is quite small but it is paired with a 65-watt Super Dart charge. We can't provide the full details about its charging power, but stay tuned because we will make a full review of this device. So, if you are asking for its price and availability, stay tuned on Realme's live stream launch on September 24, 6 PM on Realme's official Facebook page and YouTube channel. They will announce the price and availability of the Realme GT Master Edition. So that's it for now. Can you guess its price? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you will be updated with our future contents. Also, don't forget to visit ManilaShaker.com for more tech news, reviews, and comparison of the latest device. Once again, this is Pope and Mabuhay Manila!